So good morning students. From today onwards we are going to understand about the pointers. So in 7 or 8 lectures we will understand about the important concept of the pointers. After this we will study about the linked list. To know about the linked list, it is very necessary to understand about the pointers. So today in this first lecture we are going to understand about the two operators, that is the address of operator and the value at address operator. So we will understand this with the help of the two very basic programs, but this is very important, we can say. This is the journey starts from here of the pointers. So let us see. So first is address of operator and second is value at address operator. So first is address of operator. It can be it is shown by the special symbol, that is ampersand, and the second operator, that is value at address operator, it is shown by the special symbol, that is asterisk. Value at address operator, this is also known as indirection operator. Now let us consider this is, let us say this is program 1. Here we will understand the use of address of operator. So in this program we have declared a variable. This is a variable of integer type and the value of this I is, this is 16. We have assigned some value to this. So as soon as we assign some value to a variable in a program, it gets some location, it gets some memory in the memory space, as well as there is an address. So we can see from here, if suppose this is the variable and this is its value 16, then its address in the memory, say this is 65524. So this is the variable and value is 16 and the address in the memory is 65524. So as soon as we assign 16 to this variable I, some location is given to this particular variable and its location address, its address is, this is 65524. Now we come to the next statement. This is printf. We want to print the address of I. The address of I goes to, it can be printed by using %u. So it can be printed this particular address. If we want to print this particular address, then we can use this address of operator. So this is ampersand, this is the address of operator. So we can pronounce it or read, it can be read as address of I. So it will print 65524 because the address of 16 is 65524. Then we come to the next statement. This is the value of I. We are simply printing the value of I and the value of I is 16. So there is no confusion. And this is a very basic thing that we normally do in C programming or other programming. So it will simply print the 16. Now we can also write the output for this program. So we can write the address of I will be address of I, this is 65524, 65524, and the value of I equals to, this is 16. So this is the simple output. Here we are using the address of operator, that is ampersand. Now we will see the second program. In this, with the help of this program, we will understand the value at address operator or indirection operator, and this is shown by asterisk. So this program is also similar to this, the program 1. Here also we have taken the same variable and the value is also 16. So we can say its value is 16, so its address is this is 65524. Now we come in this statement. Here we are again printing the address of I. So address of I equals to %u. This is address of I. Here we are using the address of operator. So it will give, this will print 65524 because address of I is, this is 65524. Now the value of I, and the value of I is, this is 16. Obviously we can see from here its value is 16, so it will simply print, there is no confusion, so it will print 16. Now we come to the third statement, which is important from this value add address operator. So here we are writing value of I equals to %d. Then here we are using this value add address operator. Here we are using address of operator. So this is nothing but this will give that value which is available at a particular address. So this is, we can say, it can be read as value at address, the address which is given in within this bracket, and this address is 65524. So we can say this is 65524 and the value at this particular address is, this is 16. So it will print 16. So value of I will be printed 16. So this is the use of value at address operator. So here we can say this is the value at address operator. Now we can write the output. Its output will be, we can write address of I is address of I equals to, this is 65524. So we can write 65524. Then the value of I equals to, this is 16. So value of I equals to 16, and then value of I, this is also 16, but we are printing in a different way by using the value at address operator. Means the value at address, that is 65524, this is also 16. So again it will give 16. So this is the output for the second program. So with the help of these two simple programs, we can understand these two operators. I hope that you would be benefited. In the last lecture, we will understand what is the pointer variable and what is pointer to pointer. We will understand some very interesting concepts which are necessary in linked list. Thank you.